Hello and welcome to Layman Lingo. In this video, we will be talking and learning about storage systems. Needless to say that storage is one of the primary features of a system. We need storage to retain information and data in the form of files, documents, images, videos, etc. So I will try and put together as much storage as possible in this small video. Let's start with the computer or laptop that we use at home. It provides us with fundamental storage. We store our files, images, videos, necessary documents in our secondary storage or the hard drive. For personal use, the local drive that we have in our local systems suffices our requirements. We may also choose to expand storage resources in order to make room for more data. However, we are met with certain limitations here. Data sharing between hosts is not supported. The data is local to our system and is not available to the outside world. Hosts may not have the same copy of data in environments where the same data is locally stored in multiple systems. All systems may not have the same copy of data, so data in one system may differ from data stored in another system. And lastly, in case of a system crash, the data is also lost. An alternative solution here is to store data and information in a common repository that is accessible by all systems. This method provides for consistent data where all hosts have the same copy of data, and at any point of time, any host accesses the latest copy of data. Further, this method enables data sharing where host 1 may store data in the common storage and host 2 could access the data that host 1 stored. Storage systems are largely categorized into network storage, also known as NAS, and storage area networks, also known as SAN. We will start with the NAS, where a storage device is planted on the network where other systems are already connected to each other. Therefore, in the network, the hosts communicate with each other and all storage-related data is retained and managed by the common storage device. In network-attached storage, the storage device is a part of the network but is only responsible for storing data and will not participate in any other network activity. The storage device will make use of the existing cables and interfaces to connect to the network. Hence, as the network grows and more hosts are added to the network, they will have a common point of reference for all stored data. Now, let us also look upon a scenario where an organization may expand to many smaller units having their own network. In this image, we have network A and network B. The problem that may arise is when host 1 belonging to network A may want to access data stored in network B's storage. Though possible, it may cause network issues and may not be a smooth procedure. Imagine if the hosts from different networks have to frequently access data stored outside networks. Also, it is quite possible that the storage in one of the networks may crash, leading to outage where the hosts within the network have no access to stored data. These challenges lead us to another storage solution, termed as Storage Area Network, also known as SAN. In this solution, we have a network of storage devices where all storage devices form a separate network storing and serving data to several outer networks. SANs may consist of numerous disks or storage devices connected to each other through high-speed cables, thus forming a repository to be used by hosts belonging to different networks. SANs are also quite effective in replicating or duplicating data. Replicating is the process of storing and maintaining multiple copies of data across different storage devices. So, in the event of one of the storage devices crashing, Another storage device may take over storage operations, and thus data stored in SAN is never lost. In this way, all storage responsibilities are delegated to the SAN, and the operational load on the user networks is also reduced. Now let us look at some of the differentiating factors between SAN and NAS. Storage area networks have dedicated cables for connection. Network attached storage use existing network cables that are already used for the connection. Storage area networks are a network of storage devices. Network attached storage use storage devices connected to user's network. Storage area networks store resources as storage blocks. NAS store in the form of files. Storage area networks can be highly expensive. Network attached storage are comparatively less expensive and more cost effective. Storage area networks are used by big enterprises which have very high storage demands. Network attached storage are mostly used by home or medium-sized organizations. That's all for this video. Hope the video was helpful. Your encouragement is very much valued, and if you liked the video, drop a like or share this video. Your comments are also always welcome. Thank you for watching.